Morning, UK Penny viewers. I've got a new challenge for myself. I'm going to replace all the car trips for 5 days with the e-bike. So travelling by bicycle is much more environmentally friendly than driving. You haven't got all those emissions. There's almost minimal environmental impact. So let's see if I can do it. Okay, let's just check the number of Ks on the Subaru Forester. It's Monday morning, so we've got 181,501 kilometres. Let's see if it's the same after 5 days. First trip on the Monday, day one, going to work. Got a full battery on the e-bike, ready to roll. First trip, 4.7 kilometres. So that's day one of the challenge done, the Monday, another 4.89 kilometres coming home from work. It was below 10 degrees today, so that's why I've got the puffy jacket on. I had gloves on and the neck warmer to keep warm. It's day two, the Tuesday, ready for my commute to work. Just got a little errand to drop off on the way. Let's go. Commute and drop off at the post office done, 4.96 kilometres. That was another commute home on the Tuesday, day two, 4.69 kilometres. Going good so far, 2 days done without driving the Forester. Welcome to day three. The weather's a bit drizzly and cloudy, so I've just got the rain jacket on top of the shirt. And I've got an event on tomorrow, so I'm going to start bringing things for it to spread the load over 2 days. So I've got a bottle of wine here for tomorrow's evening, strapped to the top of the bag. It's got bungee cord on the top built in. Got my crackers out of the box. Just the bag in my backpack. With the box in there too. And that way I can bring some clothes and the dip tomorrow and not have everything on the same day. So obviously with a bike you've got limited cargo carrying capacity. I've only got a backpack and the bag on the back. I could have panniers, but they'll make it a bit more bulkier. Okay, the bottle of wine is safe. 4.72 kilometres. Bit of light drizzle. Got the rain protection on the bike. Still got 3 battery bars left. So that's the commute done on day 3 on the Wednesday. There's a bit of drizzly rain in the morning, but no rain in the evening, but just wet on the roads everywhere. So I'm glad I still have the rain jacket and high vis and all that. Another 4.7 kilometres done without using the Forester. So got to see if I can do just 2 more days, a Thursday and Friday. I'll see how I go. So it's good to bring things on multiple days. So I brought the wine and the crackers for today. So tomorrow I can bring a change of clothes and the dip. And that way I can fit everything on the e-bike. You only got limited storage. Morning, it's day 4, Thursday. E-bike's ready for another commute. Got the dip ready in the bag. I've got a change of clothes in the back here, strapped to the bag. Weather's cloudy but not rainy, so I've just got the puffy jacket on today. Another commute, 4.76 kilometres. Thought I might as well check out the winter festival that opens in 2 days' time. It's not fully finished yet, it should be good. Gonna have the ice skating there, and the Ferris wheel as well, and all the light shows. This is only a short trip, 1.28 kilometres. Got the precious cargo here, the wine. So that's the end of day 4, the Thursday. 4.28 kilometres from the evening event to home. Got the remainder of the wine on there. Some crackers in the bag. So after 4 days, we're down to 1 out of 5 battery bars. So I'll charge it. You can just charge the battery directly while it's on the bike or off the bike. I could probably get the commute to work, but might run out of battery on the way home if I don't charge it. So you can go into the range here. I usually have the battery on Tour, which is the second from the bottom. Got Eco, Tour, Sports and Turbo. So I've only got 5 kilometre range with that 1 battery bar left, so I could get to work but not get home, so I better charge that battery. The e-bike comes with a standard charger. It just plugs into the power point and plugs into the e-bike. So I'll bring the work shirt and trousers home tomorrow on the back of here. So when you're e-biking, you're limited to what you can carry, so you can split things up over a number of days. So 1 more day to go with a 5-day challenge. Let's see if I can do 1 more day of e-biking instead of driving the Forester. I've made it to day 5, the Friday, ready to go, pumped for day 5 of e-biking. So I've got an event on tonight, so I've got my jeans on these bungee straps. This bungee straps on top of this little bag is actually a great idea, very useful. And I'm going to bring 2 pairs of work pants and a shirt back on here tonight home and wear these jeans home. So a little bit of juggling around using the e-bike, but I'm getting there. Still cloudy and chilly for the last day, but no rain predicted. Day 5 commute, the jeans made it, 5.41 kilometres. .32 k's, next destination, T-Arts Art Gallery. Time to head home now. Just went to the art gallery and dinner. Last trip for day 5 on the Friday. It's going to be the winter festival here in Bathurst. From tomorrow, got an ice rink here. There's going to be all light displays on the courthouse. It's going to be amazing. Everything's going to be lit up from tomorrow for 2 weeks. It's going to be good. And there you have it, the last journey home on day 5. That's 5 days of e-biking instead of using the car. Forrest has had a nice nap there for 5 days. Last journey, 5.52 kilometres, a bit longer because I came from the centre of Bathurst. So I wasn't sure if I could do it. The Wednesday, day 3, was a little bit drizzly in the morning, but I managed to do 5 days in winter on the e-bike, so it is possible. A little bit of juggling, so I've got the trousers and shirt from the Thursday and the trousers from the Friday in here, and a little bundle there. So I've only got a little bag for the e-bike, but that sort of is pretty good most of the time. I could get panniers for the side if I was carrying more gear, but it's sort of enough for the moment. This is a Friday night. Still got 181,501 kilometres on the car. What it started with on Monday morning. So no kilometres done on the car for 5 days. So I'll add up the kilometres later, what the whole week was, but basically it's doable. I've got the puffy jacket for winter and also the rain jacket if it's rainy. So with the right gear, you can ride in winter and you can ride the e-bike. So obviously cycling, it's better for your health and fitness. Even an e-bike, you're still using a little bit of fitness because you're still pedaling and the motor just helps you. But it's just great feeling using pedal power instead of diesel power on the car, saving the environment, and it's better for your health too. So invite other people, try and do a challenge like this, even if you only do 1 or 2 days here and there on a bike, it's still better than nothing. You're still doing a bit, and the more you do, the more you can build up. This is the first time I've done 5 days in a row, so even myself, I'm sort of building my e-biking up. So thanks for watching. Hope this was interesting. Hope this encourages more people to bicycle commute. Thanks for watching.